Alright, this phone they brought it to me this morning. The charging point is not working, so we're going to work it out and see if it works. Bi'idhnillah, it's going to work inshallah. This is this is Tecno T454. It's made up of two SIM card and a memory card. So let's see if it works. Inshallah, I believe it will work. Qadratullah. Alright, so let's lose the phone and work it out. So look at how the charging point is rough. So right now we're going to work it out. Let's remove this bouncer, this button before. Alright, so this changing of this charging point, supposing we have a blower, you know, but since we don't have it, they say use what you have until you get what you want. So we're going to be using Kendo to work it out. We're going to be using Kendo. You know, since we don't have a blower, so use what you have until you get what you want. So we're going to be using a Kendo to change